Hi, Nirali. So tell me, Nirali, today in the home food show, what are you going to prepare for our viewers?
Today I'm going to prepare a kachi item. It's called dabeli. So I'll be starting with the ingredients. First we'll require the oil, then onions, smashed potatoes, dabeli masala, lime. For the decorations we need coriander leaves, save, chana dal and pomegranate. The chutneys we need is garlic chutney, green chutney and khajur chutney, butter for roast and the buns. First we'll be taking oil.
Okay.
We'll be putting in frying pan.
Okay.
That is all. 2 tablespoons around. We'll let it heat properly.
So is the oil ready?
Yes, the oil is ready almost. We put in first is onions. This will keep little bit aside for the decoration.
Okay.
Again we'll be
We'll have to fry the onion till it gets brown.
little brown. Yeah, it turns little brown.
Okay. Like, do we continuously need to keep stirring?
No,
Or
it
we
will
can leave
cook.
it for
Yeah,
some
we can
time?
leave it. We can leave it also, but we can stir it, and in that case, it turns around, and the entire all parts of the onion gets fried. Or
Right.
else only one part is stuck in one place, and it doesn't get fried.
Right. I guess the onion is almost done.
Yes, it's almost. Let it turn a little more slightly brown. So
Yes.
later on, it won't be. We don't have to cook it for much time.
Right.
Very first thing is the masala. Since we have taken the quantity of like around 2 onions, you will need 2 spoons of masala. That would be around this much, same.
Do we need to add salt or something in that?
No, nothing, no salt, no any other masala, because everything is already in the masala.
Alright.
And the good thing about this masala is it stays long for over a year also. It doesn't get spoiled at all.
Wow, that's nice.
Now we'll
Now
add
the potatoes.
the potatoes. And just properly mix them well. Just squeeze a little amount of it. That's all. And just mix it properly well.
So we need to, just heat the potatoes, or like we need to cook it for how?
You don't need to cook it for so much, just until it gets properly mixed. The main part is about getting mixing done well. I think the masala is almost ready. We'll just taste it. You'll taste it?
No, it's very hot. I would suggest कि आप ही taste करो इसे.
Okay.
It's rainy season, लेकिन अभी भी बारिश नहीं हुई
The
है.
masala is ready.
Alright, so masala is ready and we can proceed towards the dabeli.
Now we need to spread the masala on a plate.
Okay.
Just spread it completely. It should be spread on like a layer,
Okay.
just a proper thin layer.
So do we need to wait till the masala gets?
No,
We can do
nothing.
it- oh, okay.
Yeah, you can do it when it's hot, or you can do it later also. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
In case if you want to prepare, just want to keep it ready. So in say after 2 hours or 3 hours you want to prepare now.
Yeah.
That can also do. It's just that after preparing this now,
Yeah.
your entire stuff would be ready. Then you just have to put it in the bun and just roast
Okay,
it. It would be
okay.
very quick to do. Now we have put it in the plate completely. First would be the chana dal.
Okay.
Just add chana dal on the layer completely. Pomegranate will give a little sweet taste.
Okay.
Little contrast to the taste we are preparing. Coriander and last sage. Just some onions if you required it more. Now we'll take a bun. Now the buns are cut. We'll need the khajur chutney.
Okay.
1 spoon of it on both the sides.
Okay.
Then would be the green chutney. Just spread it slowly, nicely. Has full flavored good. Last, garlic chutney. The garlic chutney again, if you like it, you can add more. If you don't, it's fine. Now we'll stuff the masala into the buns. Press it a little, take some more and add it. Shake it properly. That's all. Now all we have to do is left to roast. About the buns, you can get it from the bakery. Though the buns what we get it from the bakery are not the dabeli ones, you can just tell them. Now the each and every bakery wala gives you the buns. Just tell them we need dabeli buns and it will be readily available.
Right.
Now the entire thing is done. Only the one part is left is roasting it on the pan. Now we just need a butter and these buns. So we'll just take it to the stove.
So now what's the next step?
The next step is to roast it well.
Alright.
All we need to do is first on the flame and get the tawa. Let it heat a little, let it get little more heat. Now it is almost heat. There's almost little heat. So just first add a little butter. Just spread it on the tawa.
Okay.
So you know when we roast the buns, then the butter properly sticks to the buns.
Right.
When the butter starts little bit cooking, we'll come to know that the heat is there, and then we'll put the buns in.
So I guess it's done and I can smell it.
Yes, you can smell. Just put one bun at a time or even the two will do.
So we need to roast this on both
Yeah,
sides.
yes. First just press it a little and just rotate it so the butter sticks to the bun very well and entire area gets cooked. In case if it is a medium or a fast, it will burn easily.
Right.
And we need it cooked little more well so you can just enjoy the taste.
Right.
Now the dabeli is ready. All we have to do is eat it. Go for
Time
it.
to taste the dabeli now. It's awesome. It's really very yum
Glad
and it tastes exactly like we have it outside.
Okay, glad you really liked it.
I really liked it. I'm actually not able to wait for it. So till I enjoy the dabeli, you have a look at the recap.
Oil 2 tablespoons, onions 2, smashed potatoes 2, dabeli masala 2 tablespoons, lime half, 2 buns, coriander leaves, save, chana dal, pomegranate, garlic chutney, green chutney, khajur chutney, butter for shallow fry. To prepare dabeli, we will first take oil in a pan and let it heat. Then add finely chopped onions and fry it till it turns golden brown. Now add dabeli masala to it and mix it well. Let it cook for a while, then add smashed potatoes and few drops of lime juice to it. Mix all the ingredients really well. Once the masala is ready, remove it in a plate and spread it. Then add chana dal, pomegranate, coriander leaves, save and onions on the top. Now take a bun and cut it half. Then apply khajur chutney, green chutney and garlic chutney on both the side of the bun. And then stuff the masala in it. Now add the butter on pan and shallow fry the dabeli from all the sides. Garnish it and serve it hot.
So that was all for today. Do try this recipe at your home and give us your feedback on info.kilometer0@gmail.com.